Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make an affidavit letter, starting with its core purpose. An affidavit is a formal written statement of facts, which you confirm to be true under oath or affirmation. This document carries significant legal weight, just like direct testimony given in a courtroom setting. You might need one for numerous reasons, including supporting a claim in court or providing evidence for a legal petition. Understanding its fundamental role is the first step to drafting one correctly. Every affidavit follows a structured format to ensure its validity and clarity. Begin by clearly stating your full name, address, and contact information as the affiant, the person making the statement. Next, include a prominent declaration, often titled Statement of Truth, where you affirm that everything contained within is accurate to the best of your knowledge. The main body consists of specific factual statements, best presented in separate, numbered paragraphs. Finally, leave space for the jurat, which the notary public will complete. When writing the core content, precision and objectivity are your best allies. Present all your factual statements in a clear, logical, and often chronological order. For instance, instead of saying a while ago, state on June 15th at approximately 3:30 in the afternoon. Avoid including any personal opinions or speculative conclusions. Stick strictly to what you know as fact. If you have supporting evidence, like a photograph or a contract, attach it as a clearly labeled exhibit, referencing it within the affidavit. The final steps are crucial for the affidavit's legal standing. Before anything else, carefully read through the entire document one final time, checking for any errors or omissions in your statements. You must then sign the affidavit in the physical presence of a certified notary public. They are the ones who officially witness your signature. The notary will verify your identity, administer the oath, and affix their official stamp and signature. Always retain at least 2 copies of the fully notarized document for your personal records.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.